I'm going to use my It Stays. I always turn it upside down and roll it. Going to apply this from my hair back. Flip this back, and I am going to see where I want this baby. It's already securing nicely. And I'm going to secure this first, and then I will just make sure that I have secured my It Stays where I want it. So now I'm going to do like I would with my wigs, and I'm just going to hold this for 10 seconds and then press it down. Hold it, getting my fingers under the fibers, holding it, pressing it down. And then I'm going to give it just a little bit to set up and to be secure. And now we can have some fun. It's really pretty.